day, ladies and gentlemen. So today I am going to be teaching you how to make a logo, different kind of logo. But before we go into the practical, I want to teach you the theory part. So we have different type of logos, as you can see on my screen here. So we have different kind of logos. So let's start. We have 7 types of logo. And number 1 is the monogram logo. So the definition of this logo is this type of logo make use of the initial to represent a brand. Let us take, for instance, a brand is Petroleum Circuit International. Let's assume the name of the brand is Petroleum Circuit International. To create a logo for it, a graphic designer can choose to use the monogram type of logo. Hence, he tried to design it by using PCI for it. Can you see the different type of the? Can you see the example of different kind of that logo? Can you see it now? So look at this. Look at this place now. So this different kind of this is a perfect example for monogram logos. Are we together now? So welcome to Digital Skills channel. So this channel I teach you how to use your different kind of digital skills. This is a channel that you are equipped with different kind of digital skills like graphic design, video editing, and all other stuff like that. So if you are getting follow in this channel, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now, because I am going to be teaching you how to make all this logo by yourself. Without, you don't need to pay anybody anymore to make all these things. I'm going to be teaching you one after the other to make all these logos for the and some other part of our graphic designing stuff. So now this is number 1, monogram logo. So let's head to number 2. I'm going to be teaching you the practical, but I want you to know. I want to take you through the theory process first, so you have a full understanding about logos making. So number 2 now, we have the pictorial logo. This is a type of logo that uses icon to represent a brand. Wow, just an icon. You just need to be creative. This one is just like Twitter, Apple. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to bring out here. This kind of logo that you just bring an icon, you just have to be creative. You don't need to write anything. You don't need to put any word. Just an icon. Are you together now? You getting it? This is one logo that broke the common principle. That is, a logo must represent what you do. So this logo must represent what you are doing. Are you getting it now? So these are the perfect example of the logos, of pictorial logos. Can you see it now? So let's head to number 3, wordmarks logo. This type of logo uses the name of the brand itself to create a logo. It doesn't use an icon or initial, just the way the name of the brand is and how it is pronounced. The logo will be created. Can you see now? These are the perfect example of wordmarks logo. So like a Google, like a Coca-Cola, like Visa. I'm going to be teaching you how to make all this by yourself, one after the other. So number 4 is abstract logo, and these are the logos born out of our imagination. An abstract mark or logo is a specific type of pictorial logo. This is a kind of let me explain in very simple form. This is a kind of logo that you need something like you need to be the type that can imagine. Are you getting it now? You can just find a kind of icon and with name. Are you getting it now? An abstract mark or logo is a specific type of pictorial logo. Like all logo symbols, abstract marks work really well because they condense your brand into a single image. It works best to portray industries that connect things like freelancing networks, architecture, or electronics. So these are the perfect example of abstract logos, like a Nike, Pepsi, Adidas. Can you see it now? So let's head to. I hope you are getting if you are getting follow in this video, please click the subscribe button right now. Click the subscribe button, because you are going to be learning a lot. Like this video and click the subscribe button right now. Mascot logo. This type of logos make use of cartoons, images to create logo for business. So knowing how to make a mascot can increase your income as a designer. Yes, if you know how to create all these kind of logos, sincerely, you are perfect to make at least 5k to 15k on each one that you make. Yes, you are perfect. You are good to go. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make all of this. I mean everything from number 1 to number 7. How to make all this logo. I am going to be teaching you on this channel. Kindly click the subscribe button right now and subscribe to this channel. Knowing how to make a mascot can increase your income as a designer. It's more expensive. You can't compare the price. You can do other design for a client at 5k to 15k, but at mascot can go about 50k. You can, as a beginner, you can charge as little as 20-25k, but when you become a professional, when you can make this kind of logo professionally, you can charge as much as 50k, 60k, just on one. Some people specialize in only this. You can even choose to specialize on this, just on this alone. You are good as a graphic designer. If you can create all this, you are good as a graphic designer. Now let's go to number 6. This is emblem logo. These are the logo that have fonts in an icon, symbols or structures. We can references, badges, seals, and crests. Many great teachers here that works in a school notice logo badge or is a good example of an emblem logo. All right, you can do your own research. You can go online now and search for the greatest university, like our Oxford logo. What types of logo does it fall under? You know the answer, right? I hope you know the answer. You can do that right now. Now, the combination mark logos. We are going to be doing practical of all this. We are going to be doing practical examples. We are going to be doing practical of all this logo one after the other. Now, the number 7, which is the last, which is not the least but the last. Now, number 7 is combination mark. This type of logo combines 2 or more of above listed types of logo. It is usually difficult to identify this type of logos. It all depends on the designer and what he wants to communicate. Are you getting it now? So all this kind of logo, this kind of combination of emblem logo and word mark logo, it's kind of combination of emblem. You combine emblem and pictorial and word marks logo. You have to. It's a kind of combination of this. You can see now we have icon, we have a word, and we have the combination of all these logos that we have been talking about. So a combination of 2 or more of all these logos, then that is what gives you combination mark logos. So subscribe to this channel as I am going to be taking you into the journey of making all this logo one after the other. I'm going to be telling you the app that we are going to be using to make this logo step by step with a full understanding. You are welcome to Digital Skills channel, where I train you how you can become a professional graphic design, where I teach you how you can monetize all these things.